Okay, how often do you have power cut in your area? See, power cut is very common, isn't it? Whether it is summer or rainy season or any season, this is a very common feature in India. Often the current goes off and no fan, no AC, no TV, nothing at all, and we sit there without anything. And sometimes in the evening time, if the current goes off, we have to sit in the dark. And even if we have the inverter, that comes only for a few hours, and after that what happens? So we should learn how to lodge a complaint to the electricity department. See, sometimes there are old people who suffer, there are students who are learning for the exam. They may think of learning during the evening time or night time, and then the current goes off. Or there may be small children who need an AC, or they need fans due to the mosquitoes everywhere. So if there is no current, it becomes a big problem for everybody. And that too after a hard day's work, when people come home and there is no electricity, it becomes a big hassle. So we are going to see how to lodge a complaint at the electricity department. Okay. So we are just going to see that we have to make a call. We cannot go to the office, so we just make a call to the EB. EB is electricity board, and check whether it is the electricity board first, because sometimes it may go to a different place and we cannot be asking them to come and repair. So you first check, is it electricity board, EB complaint, and then if they say yes, then you just say which area you are in, which place, which street and all that, and then say that we have had a power cut for so many hours, or you can just say we have been having a power cut for the past few days. Then he may ask you for how many hours the power cut has been in force, and you can just say 3 hours or 10 hours or whatever it is. Then you can also say that there are elders in the family who are not able to sleep, and the small baby is constantly crying without the fan. And you can even say apartments and all, we know the lift is not working because it's on single phase, something like that. You can make all the complaints and he will say, yes sir, there are people working now, there is some cable fault and we will try to rectify it. So within a few hours we will get the supply, and you can hang on the phone. Okay. So this is what we are going to see now. Shall we? At the EB office, you are not going to the EB office, but you are only going to call up. Okay. Shall we write now? This is between Mr. Y. Hello, is it electricity board? Complaint office? And EB, the EB, that is electricity board. Somebody picks up the phone and says, yes sir, what is the complaint? And Mr. Y says, I am calling from New Colony, Third Street, Tenth Main Road, Tenth Main Road, Saidapet. We have been a power cut for how many hours? For the past 10 hours. And EB office says, okay sir, our men have already